I'm going to show you now how it is I use the agents feature within Edvance to help automatically identify students that are struggling in the class, or send out reminders to students that something is due, that sort of thing. It has some nice alert type features built into Edvance. So here's the home page area of the Edvance website. You go over to the left hand side here and you go to the agents. You click on that. Pulls up a list of 3 different things you can do. You can do scheduled tasks. This is where if you want to do an assignment due reminder or an assignment overdue alert, you can add those kind of tasks in. Threshold alerts, where you can look at somebody's login activity, lesson progress, gradebook progress, running average. We'll do that in a second. And then content alert, if there's a grade change to a certain assignment that you put within here. So let's look at, just as an example, let's look at the running average. This is one that I've used a few times now. You go in and it pulls up a new running average alert screen here, where you set up your agent and put in a title such as grade below passing. And now it's going to send the alert when the running average in the class drops, in this case less than, but you can set it different ways, less than 70%. So if somebody is dropped below a passing grade in the class, I like to kind of keep an eye on that sort of thing. So then you can set how often you want it to run. I usually run it just on a weekly basis, and then I usually have it sent to me on a Wednesday, because by that point I usually have put all the gotten the grade book up to date and that sort of thing. Wednesdays are kind of my day when I get that sort of thing done for my online classes, and I'll set it usually for I usually set it, where's it at, for about 4 o'clock, about the time I'm kind of wrapping things up for the day. And then you can have it send to the students and send to me. And then grade has dropped below passing. This is a message that's sent out to both me and the students. So I'll put something like this: Bio 35 grade has dropped below passing, so they know which class this is coming from. And then you can make this look as if it's just a personalized message sent from you. It doesn't have to look like an automated message. So I noticed today that your grade in the course has dropped below passing. Please send me an email so we can set up a time to chat about this. Thanks. And then you submit. And now that alert is set up now, or agent, excuse me, that agent is there. You can go in and delete it if it's not working the way you want it, and set up a different one, and it'll show you the results there whenever it actually detects whatever alert you've set up. So that's how you track one of the ways you can track how students are doing inside of Edvance.